Every week, developers release new open-source projects on GitHub, and this is our weekly GitHub project update video, covering the best of them. Top trending open-source GitHub projects this week. You'll discover useful and trending developer tools, from local AI models to agent workflow tools. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right, let's get into today's video.
Project number 1, Bonsai Demo. Run 1-bit and ternary Bonsai LLMs locally. Bonsai Demo is an open-source repository that lets you run Prism ML's Bonsai language models locally. Bonsai is a 1-bit model, and ternary Bonsai, a 1.58-bit model, each offered in 8B, 4B, and 1.7B sizes, so compressed weights fit modest hardware. One setup command installs dependencies, pulls the models from Hugging Face, and fetches or builds binaries. It runs on Mac with Metal, Linux and Windows with CUDA, Vulkan, or ROChem, and on plain CPU in GGUF through llama.cpp or an MLX on Apple Silicon. You chat through a built-in server or Open Web UI, clone it, and run a tiny model locally. Project number 2, Exercises Dataset. 1,324 fitness exercises with data, images, and GIFs. Exercises Dataset is a ready-to-use collection of 1,324 fitness exercises for building workout and health apps. Every entry carries a name, body part, target and secondary muscles, equipment, bilingual English and Turkish instructions, a thumbnail image, and an animation GIF stored as a single JSON file with matching media folders. It ships with 2 browser tools that need no server, one to search and filter every exercise, and one that generates database tables, insert statements, and copy-paste API code in languages like Python, JavaScript, and Go. It's licensed for educational, non-commercial use only. Clone it and prototype your fitness app. Project number 3, LobeHub. Self-hostable platform to run your AI agent team. LobeHub is a self-hostable platform that turns your AI agents into a managed team. It calls itself a chief agent operator, letting you hire, schedule, and get reports from agents that run around the clock. An agent builder sets one up from a plain description, and each agent can reach any model plus a library of 10,000 skills and MCP-compatible plugins. Agent groups let several work together on shared pages, projects, and schedules, while a white box memory learns how you work and stays editable. You deploy it on Vercel, Alibaba Cloud, or Docker. Spin it up and manage your agents. Project number 4, Vibe Trading. Open-source natural language agent for trading research and backtesting. Vibe Trading is an open-source research workspace that turns plain language finance questions into runnable analysis. Installed with one command, it connects your prompts to market data loaders, backtest engines, reports, and persistent memory. You can ask a question, backtest a strategy idea, or run multi-agent teams for investment, quant, and risk work, pulling data across equities, crypto, futures, and forex through free sources with automatic fallback. A shadow account feature reads your broker journal and compares your trades to your extracted rules. It targets research and simulation, trading only through a broker you authorize and can halt. Install it and start researching. Project number 5, Kanji Skill. Distill books and videos into callable agent skills. Kanji Skill is an open-source pipeline that distills high-value content, books, long videos, podcasts, interviews, and courses, into callable agent skills instead of summaries. It runs a 7-stage method called RietLTV++. It first reads the whole source, then sends 5 parallel extractors after frameworks, principles, cases, counterexamples, and terms. Each candidate must pass a triple check for cross-support, predictive power, and uniqueness, so only a fraction survive. Survivors become structured skills with quotes, rewrites, examples, executable steps, and boundaries. Get linked and stress tested, then install into Claude Code or Cursor, point it at a transcript, and turn knowledge into tools. Project number 6, and new checkout v7, GitHub action that checks out your repo and workflows. Checkout is a GitHub action that pulls your repository into a workflow, so later steps can use the code. You add it as a uses action/checkout step, and it clones the repo into the workspace, fetching only the triggering commit by default or full history on request. It handles sparse and partial checkouts, submodules, Git LFS, and several repositories at once, and sets up token or SSH auth for Git before cleaning those credentials afterward. The newest version also refuses to run untrusted fork pull request code unless you opt in. Add it to your workflow and start from clean code. Project number 7, Jolt Physics, multi-core C++ rigid body physics engine for games. Jolt Physics is an open-source, multi-core friendly rigid body physics and collision detection library written in C++. It's built for games and VR, and ships in titles like Horizon Forbidden West and Death Stranding 2. It simulates rigid bodies with continuous collision detection, plus constraints, motors, ragdolls, wheeled and tracked vehicles, soft bodies, GPU hair, and water buoyancy. Its deterministic simulation replicates across machines from inputs alone. It runs on Windows, Linux, macOS, Android, iOS, and WebAssembly, depends only on the standard library, and offers bindings for C#, Rust, Python, and more. Drop it into your engine and start simulating. Project number 8, Copilot Workshops. Hands-on lessons for GitHub Copilots, agentic features. Copilot Workshops is an open-source set of hands-on workshop lessons for learning GitHub Copilot's agentic features across the software development lifecycle. It walks you through Copilot CLI, VS Code Agent Mode, the Copilot app, and the Copilot Cloud Agent. The lessons are plain markdown you can read on GitHub, and an optional Astro and Starlight site publishes them to a browsable page. As you work through them, you build a sample crowdfunding app, Tailspin Toys. Several tracks also ship in translated locales. It's a public template, so teams can run their own workshop, fork it, and start learning agentic workflows. Project number 9, pi-subagents. Delegate work to child agents inside Pi. Pi-subagents is an extension for the Pi coding agent that lets it delegate work to focused child agents. You install it with one command, then ask Pi in plain language to review a diff, scout a codebase, or run several reviewers at once. Each subagent is a separate Pi session, running in the foreground or background, so you can check it later. It ships with built-in roles like Scout, Researcher, Planner, Worker, Reviewer, and Oracle, and you can chain or parallelize them, isolate parallel edits in Git work trees, and define your own agents in Markdown. Install it and start delegating. Project number 10, clawk, disposable network-restricted Linux VMs for coding agents. clawk is an open-source command line tool that gives an AI coding agent its disposable network-restricted Linux VM. You cd into a repo, type clawk, and clawk or Codex runs inside a fresh Linux VM with your code mounted and root inside, while your files and keychains stay out of reach. Outbound traffic is denied by default behind a per sandbox allow list, though your SSH agent is forwarded so git push works. Any OCI image becomes the root FS, and destroying a VM keeps your code and conversations on the host. It runs on Apple Silicon Macs. Give your agent its own machine. Project number 11, Waggle, a 30-byte token layer for agent handoffs. I will say Waggle is an open-source reference layer for agent handoffs. Instead of pasting an artifact to each subagent, one agent mints a 30-byte token that each consumer resolves into a view for its own model. Behind it, an attribution manifest records who made it, and every read is logged, so you see which subagent opened it. Corrections propagate to every holder. It runs as an MCP server, so one config line wires it into Claude Code, Codex, or Cursor. The same token resolves across machines and at Cloudflare's edge, while the file never leaves. Handoff by reference, not by paste. Project number 12, mindwalk. Replay coding agent sessions on a 3D codebase map. Mindwalk is a visualization tool that replays coding agent sessions on a 3D map of your codebase. A log shows what an agent did, not how it understood it. So mindwalk draws your repository as a night map and plays it back as light. The files the agent searched, read, and edited glow, while everything else stays dark. One Go binary reads Claude code and Codex logs on your machine, then serves a local web view. You can scrub the timeline, switch tree and terrain views, and click any file for its history. Run it and watch your session light up. Project number 13, Clodex. Local first, zero trust agentic IDE with governed execution. Clodex is an open source, local first agentic IDE built on one idea. A model's output is untrusted input. It brings persistent AI tasks, code, terminal, browser, Git, models, and memory into a single Electron workspace, treating each job as a durable task with its own state, permissions, and evidence. Each task keeps context across restarts, routes work between models, and runs locally or on Docker, SSH, or the cloud. Sensitive actions pass through a guardian that authorizes outside the model and fails closed, while pending edits and approvals keep the final say with you. Put your agent under policy. Project number 14, Neverclick. Control the mouse with your keyboard using Vision. Neverclick is a free Windows desktop app that lets you perform mouse actions with your keyboard. When you press a hotkey, it uses computer vision to find the clickable elements on your screen and overlays each with a short letter label. You type the letters to click there. Because it reads raw pixels, it works in any application. You can left or right click, aim at any point in an element, select several at once, and switch windows without lifting your hands. It runs entirely on your machine, offline, with no online AI service. Put the mouse down and try it. Project number 15, Krbn, pencil-style rendering engine for 3D scenes to SVG. Krbn is an open-source web engine that renders 3D scenes as pencil-style drawings in SVG. Instead of asking what color each pixel is, it asks which lines an artist would draw, so it derives and styles strokes from geometry rather than shading surfaces. Silhouettes of spheres, cylinders, and cones are computed exactly. Hidden lines split into visible and ghosted runs, and shading comes from hatch density flowing along each surface's curvature. It handles analytic primitives, curves, and triangle meshes through one pipeline, with hand-drawn wobble that stays stable across animation frames. Written in TypeScript. Browse the gallery and sketch your scene. Project number 16, beautify-github-readme, agent skill that redesigns your GitHub README. Beautify-github-readme is an open-source agent skill that helps AI coding agents redesign a repository's README homepage around its real content. Most repos have enough information but show jargon and directory trees before a visitor understands the point, so the skill reads the repository first, finds the clearest value and proof, then decides how the page looks. It keeps visual identity in SVG heroes and diagrams and explanations in plain markdown, so the page feels designed while staying searchable and copyable. You run it in whole readme or SVG only mode and it never publishes without approval. Give your README a clear entry. Project number 17, AutoDASR V1, Arabic First Speech Recognition Models and Inference Hub. AutoDASR V1 is a family of Arabic First generative speech recognition models from Autord AI, and this repository is the developer hub with model cards, benchmarks, and copy-paste inference. It treats transcription as next token prediction over audio, using a language model decoder rather than a CTC objective. Two tiers share one architecture and prompt interface. Flash for real-time and on-device work. Turbo for the lowest error on hard dialectal audio. It handles modern standard Arabic, major dialects, code-switched Arabic English, and 30 languages overall. Weights run through transformers or GGUF with llama.cp. Clone it and transcribe your Arabic audio. Project number 18, domain-sdk, one TypeScript API for customer custom domains. Domain-sdk is an open-source TypeScript library that handles custom domains for your customers through one API. You add a host name to the platform you already run, and it returns the exact routing, ownership, and certificate records your customer needs for their DNS. Tracks the domain until it is ready, then removes it safely. It ships adapters for Vercel, Cloudflare for SaaS, Railway, Render, and Netlify, plus an in-memory testing adapter that never calls a real provider. Add and remove are idempotent. Verification comes from the provider, and it runs server-side on Node or Bun. Install it and ship custom domains. Project number 19, Flawless AI, SRE control plane for Kubernetes remediation. Flawless is a source-available AI SRE control plane for Kubernetes and cloud infrastructure. It joins alerts, evidence, topology, human approval, controlled remediation, and recovery verification into one audible loop. Discover, diagnose, preview, approve, execute, verify, learn. The model plans and explains, while the platform keeps the execution boundary through RBAC and action catalog, dry runs, and audit records, and it retests the original symptom instead of trusting a successful command. It connects to Kubernetes, Rancher, Prometheus, Loki, Tempo, and CMDB with any OpenAI compatible model, and deploys by Docker or Helm. Deploy it and let your infrastructure prove recovery. Project number 20, Persome, a local personal model every AI agent can use. Persome is an open-source personal model that gives AI agents context about you. It learns how you think and work from focused macOS activity you grant permission to capture. then builds an evidence-backed model in layers, from single observations up to patterns and one current picture of you. Every claim keeps receipts, and you can inspect, correct, export, or delete anything. It exposes that model over MCP, so Codex, Claude Code, and other trusted clients can resume your work with grounded context. Data stays under a local folder with no cloud account or sync. Install it and build your human.mb. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.